Today I am going to show you how to create this animation in Canva. So let's start. First of all, go on videos section, open the video blank page. After that, go on elements, search here gradient background. Go on videos section, scroll down, choose the one you like I'm choosing this one. Click on three dot, set video as background. After that, search here orange can, but red orange juice can. Now you can see that we have some results here. So let's choose this one. You can choose the real one by opening new tab, search here orange juice can. Okay, you can see that here too much results you can take by going on image section. Go on edit image and select BG remover. Okay, now your image background has been removed. Increase the size. Next section, search here below. After that, I am taking this one. Change the color to white. Increase the size. Yes, and send this to back of the can. After that, duplicate. Flip horizontal. Select the orange can, go on edit image, go on shadows, select below. Edit shadow, increase the size. After that, go on the text, add the text, right here, orange, and select the writing Roberto and select bold. After that, and another orange juice. Select this all and select regular. Now you can see that it's looking beautiful. Decrease the line spacing, increase the size of the text, change the color. Wait a second. Change the color to white. After that, go again on elements, search here and you can take and go on photos, and I am selecting this one. Make it here on the corner of the image. After that, select your text, go on animate and select baseline. And select this direction. Now it's looking beautiful. Now you have to select the orange juice can and drag it down. It should not appear. Okay, now it's cut. Now you have to decrease the line page timing. Now duplicate the page and go on the position and select the orange can and drag it up. It should be appear this time. Select the lemon, rotate this like this and decrease the size. Make it here. Now it's curved. And after that, select the blob and make it make the rotation like this and select the orange juice text, make it up, change the color to black, select the block and rotate it, flip it horizontal. Okay, now you can see that it's looking much beautiful. Now you have to just go at transition and select match and move duration full, and now you can see here is the final result.